Yo, what's happening? What's happening? It's a boy Mutupi. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are gonna be looking at the markets. But before we get into the markets, I just wanna let you guys all apologize for not being able to post 2 days before, because I promised that I'm gonna be posting. But I've been going up and down in terms of trips and stuff. So fortunately, I've been able to make it. And yeah, let's get straight to it. Let's get to today's video. But before we do that, let us get to today's sponsors.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Okay, let us get into today's video. So what's going to happen is that we are now going to take a look into US30, and I want to show you guys what I've been seeing from Monday, Tuesday till this day now, and then moving forward we can also come up with the way, or we can come up with something that's going to also show us some of the positive things that we can take a look at into US30. So let us take a look at what I have here. So I'm going to start off first from the 4-hour time frame. That's what I'm going to be starting off from, the 4-hour time frame. Okay, because I believe that on the daily we've been able to see it, but maybe someone out there is like, can you please just walk me through the daily so I can be able to see it once more? It's okay, guys, I don't mind doing this. I do this for a living, so I'm cool with this. In terms of the daily, you can simply see that price pushed up here, came back to retest these levels. It went a bit more to the upside, came back down, couldn't break below here. It went higher, and then now it's somewhere around here, because it tried to break, but it didn't give us that breakout. So let me just zoom in and see this candlestick what's going on. Let me remove this. Okay, so at first obviously you can still have something that's more like this, and believe that maybe it broke out, it's gonna come back down. It's okay for you to see that way, but let's go to a smaller time frame now, and I'll show you guys why I'm seeing what I see and what's the influence of it, so maybe you guys can also be able to understand how I put out my trades and stuff. Okay, so on the smaller time frame here, what I have is price has been shut down. It went up, it shut down here. So I've got this area and this area. So now after price done that, right here, it's even one of the things that I did speak about. If you are in the Telegram public group, you would see we spoke about price being, it was yet support, it went up, we ate that move. But we spoke about when it was somewhere down here, we spoke about maybe price would give us some sort of a double bottom somewhere around here. Yeah? So we went down with it here. This is where we went down with it. This move here is the actual price whereby we were guys, this is where price is going to be moving a bit more to the upside. So I'll show you guys. Let me go quickly to the Telegram group so I can be able to recall on my side. All right, yeah. Okay, so I want you guys to be able to see, because this is a trade that I was actually supposed to be going through with you guys. So I'm going to be taking a look at 3 trades that we went through throughout this whole weekend. So you can simply see that this is how price, we're seeing price at first. We're price currently within a structure zone, and then secondly we saw price maybe is going to be able to push a bit more to the upside. So we took a sell here, and then price went against us, and then it didn't go well. Second, that was the first trade that we took. Price didn't go well, it went against us. So now we are still within that area that I did sell in the first section, but now we broke to the downside. So I was like, now we're seeing price come all the way down to here, because there it was a riskier trade because we bought before price has broken resistance. But now this one here was a much more fairer, because we took this trade once price has confirmed with us, so we're comfortable with this. Price shot all the way down, it was here, it shot all the way downwards, and then obviously we saw this buy here, and then we bought here also. It went a bit more to the upside with us, and then it came back down. So we've seen this double bottom here, this double bottom structure, which brings us to this beautiful setup right here, on the 16-minute time frame. What I'll do is that I will remove this. So already we ate this move, and we already did buy, and we ate with this move. And one thing that I like with this is that in my premium team, what happened is that after I sent this beautiful setup, I was able to send it back to them, and then I told them, hey guys, I think you guys need to log. So let me just show you guys how we were able to log this trade, because most people would catch a trade but they wouldn't be able to log it, and that sucks. Being able to see trades but not being able to go back home with some capital, that sucks. So here in the premium signal, let me just come back down. Here's the setup. I saw it being here. I was like, engulfing candle, we bought right here, we literally bought here, we're price is going upwards. Price didn't go all the way up to there, but price went all the way up to here. And see how I sent log profits here. Literally here, maximum on the 1 hour time frame, log profits here. And we did get to log our profits, and which was here. So price went down, but we went all the way with this amount of capital right here, which is something that I love. We went home with this capital right here. So now what's going on is that, just to give you guys a quick update, I see obviously price has now been able to create, okay, this is a low, couldn't break lower highs, couldn't break lower the previous low. So now it's like literally giving us a movement within the structure here. So what I'll do is that I will just narrow it down, come a bit more, get my areas right here. And with this, it's as simple as you guys can see it here. We've got a strong support here. So it's gonna literally be up to us on how we're gonna be taking this trade, because like just by looking at it, I can automatically see that, okay, if price happens to maybe reject here, there's a high chance of us going down, and maybe we can even go lower than the sold level here. But if we happen to close just at least above this area right here, if we happen to close above this area right here, then we can still be looking into taking this buy from here, just to keep it safe. A buy from here and then move all the way down to here. That's something that we can be looking at if price happens to close above. But if price rejects and it doesn't close above this area here, that means that we are going to be going all the way down with it. But tomorrow I believe that I'll be able to give you guys a full update, because even on my side, I was like, what, let me just give you guys a quick unpack of the trades that we took throughout the week, some of the trades, how we took the losses, how we took the wins, and what we are looking for now. I think for now I'm just gonna lay low, because like literally my mind is heavy. Like, it's been a lot of ups and downs. I just literally landed from traveling and stuff. So it's gonna be that thing whereby like tomorrow I'll be updating you guys with a beautiful trade. But at the same time, if I do happen to see an opportunity, the only thing that you can do is literally be in the Telegram public group, because that is where I share my trades. That is where I get to share some of the analysis that I see, and some of the trades that I actually do see before I enter them, on why I see them that way. So make sure that you do get to click the link below, get yourself into the Telegram public group, and I will see you in the next YouTube video. It's your boy Liswamu 2P.